Good morning, students. Now, today, exercise 1.1 lo fourth problem I can explain. Please watch the video and try to understand the problem. This is the fourth problem, page number 10, problem number 4, exercise 1.1. Given that HCF of 306, 657 equal to 9. Find LCM of 306, 657. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటిది హెచ్సిఎఫ్ మనకి ఇచ్చాడు. ఎంతని ఇచ్చాడు? 9. ఈ రెండింటికి ఎల్సిఎం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. అంటే లెట్ బి గివెన్ నంబర్స్. ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి నంబర్స్ని మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఈ నంబర్ని ఏగా ఇమేజ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ నంబర్ బీగా ఇమేజ్ చేయండి. అంటే ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 306 అండ్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 657. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ HCF ఇచ్చే టూ నంబర్స్కి they gave HCF is equal to 9. You know the formula LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. The product of LCM into HCF are equal to product of two numbers and A into B. So then you have to substitute here LCM into HCF. How much you give? 9. So A means 306 and B means 657. HCF is equal to 9 by HCF. The formula manaki. So HCF is equal here 306 into 657. 9 will be cancelled here. 3 9s are 27. Again 36 is there. So 4 9s are 36. So you have to product of 34 and 657. You will get the here LCM not HCF. LCM is equal to 34 into 657 by 9. 9 will become 34 times, and product of two numbers LCM is equal to 22,338. So this is the very important problem for 4 marks question. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.